Welcome to Anandvan, a place that thrives on the spirit of community, resilience, hope, and strength. Here you will find people from all walks of life working diligently to sustain themselves and their families. This is the promising land which nurtures opportunities, learning, growth, health, and a strong sense of purpose. The people here have built a self sustaining ecosystem where they grow their own food, craft their own goods, and support one another in every endeavor of life. In this vibrant community, every day is filled with the sounds of productivity and collaboration. But what looks like a normal day at Anandvan requires a strong determination and an unwavering spirit by its people. This land finds its roots in the crazy dedication of a man whose helping hand towards the socially abandoned is now a legacy that prolongs humanity and empowers the lives of several people who fell prey to the evil disease of leprosy. Along with some rights, it took away their freedom to perform daily tasks without dependency. But what started 75 years ago has now transformed into a self sufficient, sustainable, and innovative land. Despite facing significant challenges, Anandvan is a testament to the power of human resilience and the belief that everyone deserves a chance to lead a meaningful life. Here, the philosophy is clear: disability does not mean inability, and the residents of Anandvan are a living example of how determination and mutual support can overcome any obstacle. This philosophy marks the very core of our design concept. Nestled in the heart of Anandvan, we have built a sanctuary of hope and resilience. Presenting to you, Anandvan. Our design journey began with the principles that define this community: adaptability, resilience, and unity. The new pavilion, inspired by the ideals of Anandvan, is a marvel of design and symbolism. The structure features pentagonal frames, each with non-conventional supports symbolizing the unique challenges faced by the residents of Anandvan. Just as the people here have adapted to their circumstances, the design of the pavilion adapts to its environment, embracing its unconventional form. Through meticulous planning and execution, this pavilion has finally took shape. Every frame, every joint, and every angle reflects the strength and determination of the community. The reuse of saris, jute bags, and bamboo mats is a reflection of their sustainable principles. The structure is more than just a building. It is a tribute to the spirit of resilience that defines this remarkable place. Anand Rohan stands as a project that celebrates the 75 years of unwavering commitment to humanity. This pavilion is a testament to this incredible journey, showcasing the stories of growth, strength, and creativity. Thus, Anandvan is where every challenge is met with courage, every obstacle is an opportunity, and every person is a beacon of hope.
आणि हे जे तुम्ही म्हणताय की या पंचोपन तुम्ही केलं आहे त्याच्यात सर्वसाधारणपणे बेस जो मिळत नाही तो मिळवण्याचा प्रयत्न बाबा आमटेंनी केला. तोच आता तुम्ही कन्सेप्ट दाखवतं हे चांगलं कार्य आहे.
तुम्ही जे केलेली कलाकृती आहे ती आम्हाला दिसत नसेल तरी स्पर्शज्ञानाने आम्हाला खूप आवडलेली आहे.
सुरुवात केली ही पण एका लंगड्या गाई आणि 2 कुष्ठरोगांसोबत मिळून केली होती. तीच सुरुवात आपल्या स्ट्रक्चरमधून दिसून येते.
म्हणजे एक काठीवर जरी सहाय्य जरी मिळालं तरी चौकोनात कालबाह्य न राहता पंचकोनी आपण याचं भरारी कशी मारू याचं हा मूर्तिमंत उदाहरण आहे.